Apparently we got some thunder showers or thunderstorms coming in. And it's getting very windy now. As you can see, the trees are dancing. So might be in for a little thunderstorm. Just got a text, so I have to remove it. And oh, there's a lightning strike over there. First one I saw this year. So far. I hope we get a close one, a nice one. That's scary looking. So we might be in for a good thunderstorm, fellas, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. If I don't get a close lightning strike, that's fine with me. But that sky, look at that one, look at that over there. Looks kind of scary, doesn't it? And the wind's starting to pick up. I can feel it. You can hear it too. It's actually not that bad out today with temperature-wise. But to have a big thunderstorm like that, it would be a lot worse if the temperatures were higher, in my opinion. That's my guess. But that looks kind of greenish. That's not good. Or brownish, because that means there could be something really big in that storm. So it could be a first severe thunderstorm, maybe. Whoops. It's coming in pretty fast. I'm just gonna hold on to my phone, so that way I don't get blown inside out and don't drop it. Not too much lightning in the storm though, as I check the lightning map. Might get more when it develops. Scary. Very scary looking. Yep, we're in for a big storm maybe. I don't know, maybe a thunder shower, but it looks really scary looking. Scary looking. But fun to watch. Because you know me, I love thunderstorms. It's not that very windy out. Maybe it's because of the downburst already? Yeah, the wind's starting to pick up again. Trees are dancing. Show me some lightning, please. Pretty cool stuff. Very scary looking. People are going out for walks in this kind of weather. It's not a good idea. Staying on a balcony is kind of risky sometimes. Because you never know when a lightning strikes. It might strike the balcony and then it's... I remember one time back in 2009 I almost got hit. Struck right on the balcony. That was on July 10th, 2009 on a weekend. It's not raining yet. It's a WestJet plane up there. Oh boy, now we're in for a big storm. I can see debris coming off. Is that a tornado? Because I hear rumbling. Was that a microburst? I don't know. Whatever. Just gotta hold on tight and just brace myself. Look at that. That's crazy. Woo! Holy smokes, look at that! It's twisted! Wow! And here comes the wind, I'll bet. Look at all of that debris. Okay, now I have to brace myself. Get back, get back, get back. Holy mackerel, this is a severe thunderstorm. I can tell you that right now. Come on, baby. Bring it on. See, I can see all this debris flying up in the air. And the trees are dancing like crazy, and it's so windy out. All I can hear is a... What if that's a microburst or a tornado? I don't know. There's no warnings. Who knows? Okay, now I'm gonna get wet. Gotta back up. Okay, come on, lightning. Show your stuff. That's it? Are you kidding me? That would be more. Yep. It's crazy, all right. Where's the lightning? I haven't seen any yet. Come on, any day now. Now the wind's starting to pick up again. Very windy. Wow, that was cool. Hardly any lightning though, but that was cool. I'm just waiting for a big lightning strike. That'd be cool. Maybe sometime later on this year I'll get one. That was cool. Not bad. Not bad. I think that's it, fellas. I think it's all over now. I'm going to stop the video soon. But, oh well. I think that was a moderate to strong thunderstorm. But there's really high winds though. Oh well. It was decent. Lots of blowing wind. Okay then. That's it. Thanks for watching. I'll see you later.